It is 8:35 p.m. and Priyanka Kakkar will start by giving us concrete proof that the Haryana government had released poison into the river Yamuna. Very clear. She can't get away today by saying we didn't mean it. She can't get away today by saying that has been misinterpreted. She can't get away by saying that we have been misunderstood. She will prove today on the program, and the people will vote on whether they believe the Aam Aadmi Party's sensational claim that poison was mixed into the waters of the river Yamuna to poison and kill people in Delhi, and this has been done officially by the Haryana government. Priyanka, please present your proof. Without any further ado, please present the proof about the poisoning of the river Yamuna.
Good evening, Arnabji. But before I begin, please tell me, when have I ever on your debate been beating around the bush and not addressed your questions? Give me one instance, so I kind of
okay. I can give you the one instance, but don't overreact. Don't overreact. I'll tell you the one instance was when I told you that given present bail conditions of your leader Arvind Kejriwal, it is unlikely that he will be able to effectively perform duties as Chief Minister because he is not allowed under bail conditions to visit the Delhi Secretariat. That time you beat around the bush, you went around 10 minutes around that issue.
You were wrong, but you didn't use the word.
But anyway, now let's go to the present. Let's go to the present. How was water poison?
No.
What kind of poisoning? What kind of poisoning was that?
I will address that too.
What kind of poison was used?
There is no such restriction. I am coming to the DJB CEO's letter, which you will believe over me, I guess, right? So I'll take you straight to para 4. Do you have the letter in front of you?
Not right now. I'll get it in a second. Tell me.
The one which the BJP claimed yesterday. Okay, please get it.
No,
I'll read it verbatim.
Read.
Presently, the ammonia is around 6.5 ppm in river Yamuna at Wazirabad Pond. Wazirabad Pond is completely dedicated to water from Haryana, which Delhi receives. 6.5 ppm is not just toxic, it's poisonous. You can have a subject matter expert on this, because I am a party pravakta. You may not believe me. So have a water expert and ask, what does 6.5 ppm in water means? So this is direct proof. It is an admission by the DJB CEO, which the BJP yesterday attempted to use in its favor, because it also reads, the first line also reads that Arvind Kejriwal ji is factually incorrect. So BJP went around the town showing that one line, but not going into the finer details.
So
of
what
the
you're saying is
letter,
that what you're saying is that 1 minute. I don't understand it correctly. What you're saying is that you have spent 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 crores on cleaning the Yamuna, right? And over 10 years you have been doing this, right? And you have not been able to revive the Yamuna because the ammonia level in the Wazirabad pond is high. The entire river. But tell me one thing. Tell me about the poison. What kind of poison was used? Chemical poison?
No.
Pesticide?
I think you're more intelligent than that, Arnabji. Listen to me, Arnabji. Please.
What kind of poison was it?
Let's have an intelligent debate. I enjoy debating with you. Listen, आप मुझे बताइए. Let entire India, people who don't speak English, also understand this very important debate, because water is a very precious resource and a very important issue. So let's debate in Hindi also बीच में. Now please tell me, आप ये पता करा लीजिए, वजीराबाद पॉन्ड में जो पानी आता है वहां से हरियाणा से ही पानी आता है. पहला पॉइंट. दूसरा पॉइंट, पानी जो कंजम्पशन के लिए होता है उसमें अमोनिया लेवल 0.5% से भी नीचे होना चाहिए. तीसरा पॉइंट, दिल्ली के वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स जो है वो देश में सबसे अच्छे जो हैं और उनकी कैपेसिटी हाईएस्ट है. दे कैन ट्रीट अमोनिया लेवल्स अप टू 3 ppm, बट 7 ppm is unbearable for any treatment plant in the country. One point. Secondly, because you said there's another thing, another allegation you leveled at me, which yes. So I want to ask you, since you mentioned this, you said that we have spent 7,000 crores on Yamuna cleaning. Can I please know what is the source of this information? I mean, if it's a BJP neta and you choose to believe a BJP neta on face value, then I rest my case. But do you have any legitimate source to say this number?
Yes.
And then I'll go further on
the
this
exact
topic.
number,
But I want to
the
know
exact,
because you
the
said
exact
7,000
number.
crore.
Since you
So
want to
tell-
debate with me and not with the BJP spokesperson, who's by the way very quiet, you should answer that. I'm,
Arey,
I'm
no,
surprised
I want to
at
debate
I'm
with you.
surprised
That
at how
figure-
relaxed
that
you are.
figure
She's
is
thrown
out.
one minute. She's thrown a counter at you.
Yeah.
She's thrown a specific counter at you. She says that the problem is with
Yes,
the
it's for the
Wazirabad
BJP
pond.
spokesperson, yes.
Is with the, no, 1 minute. Do you accept or deny that there is
First
a
of all,
problem?
Arnab-
1 minute. That the see what
No,
happens
I'm
is
coming to that.
if the
First of
ammonia
all-
level crosses 5, you can't have your water treatment will not work.
No, I'm just coming
And your
to
water
that. I'm
treatment
just
will
coming
not
to that.
work.
First
Water
of
supply
all,
will go down, and you would not drink water with an ammonia level over 5. Now, do you
point
agree
is-
that the Wazirabad pond source is principally from Haryana? So she's putting a context to the claim. You answer her.
No, can I make my point?
No, answer her. Counter check.
absolutely.
Why you're being muted today? Why are you not
Absolutely,
questioning her
not at
directly?
all.
Why aren't you raising your voice? Why you lost your confidence?
I
score?
just extended
Yeah.
her the courtesy. You don't want me to be courteous to her? So that, now give me 2 minutes of uninterrupted time.
Courtesy हो गया. मेरे
2
program में
minutes of
courtesy वर्टसी नहीं होता है.
uninterrupted time.
In my
Even
show, it's
before-
straight attack.
Even before I come to the technical parts of it, let me call out the notoriety of Arvind Kejriwal. Arnab, we have seen the worst kind of animosity between India and Pakistan over the last many decades, and yet, in the worst, Pakistan would not have made such a notorious allegation against India that Kejriwal
Are you
has made
comparing
against
Delhi to
Haryana.
Pakistan?
No, I am talking about the mindset of
Why?
Arvind
Please
Kejriwal.
don't make that analogy between
Arvind
Indian-
Kejriwal.
No, between- no, no.
Arvind
This
Kejriwal's
analogy-
mindset.
this analogy
Arvind
should be
Kejriwal's
dismissed.
mindset has to be called out. Now coming to the point you said.
What are you calling his mindset?
No, the fact that we try to perpetrate genocide.
Yeah, but don't
Do you want to let him get away with that nonsense? Do you want to let, even the worst enemy countries don't make such allegations. I think first of
Then
all... he needs to be
counter,
called
then
out.
counter.
Yes, I'm coming to that.
Counter her.
First of
Tear
all,
her
the
argument apart by stopping you.
6.55 ppm ammonia
Yes.
would be a very temporary phenomena, and since you have the best of filter plants, all you need to do is double filtration. That is not something
Double
alien.
filtration?
Yes, you filter it twice.
No, no, no.
This is a concept they don't understand. These are engineers and these are, technical people, and yet they don't understand simple concepts. The fact they try to indulge in the worst kind of scaremongering should not go unpunished. And my request through your show to the Haryana CM is to, go ahead and file a defamation suit against him because he tried to defame an entire state. All of these things happen every year. This is like I mentioned, for a day or for a few hours. If the ammonia level has gone up, it's part of the cleaning process. Either more water would be released subsequently to address that, or you go for double filtration. But to peddle this kind of falsehood, to peddle this kind of a malified, fear mongering against in the country is something I don't think the people of country would ever accept.
Now, I'm not sure of one thing out here, which I think Priyanka is overstating the case. It can't just be because of Wazirabad pond.
And it was for a few hours, mind you.
Are you saying that one pond is contributing to everything that's wrong and you have no responsibility, no accountability?
The pond.
No. You washed your hands off. You washed your hands off effectively. That's the sense I'm getting from you. Blame Haryana government, take your hands off.
Arnab ji, see, let me tell you 2-3 very hard.
Why did he
facts
not
which
say
we
till
have
now,
right
for
now.
example?
I
Why is he saying this now at the fag end of 2 terms? Why did Kejriwal not say in the last 10 years that Haryana is trying to poison the people of Delhi?
तो जब होगा तब बोलेंगे.
अभी तक नहीं हुआ था? 10 साल से नहीं हुआ था या पता नहीं था आपको?
सुनिए ना.
हाँ, सुन तो रहा हूँ.
सुन लीजिए मेरी बात.
सुनी तो रहा हूँ.
मैंने आपके सारे क्वेश्चन सुन लिए.
मैं बिल्कुल सुन रहा हूँ.
आपने देखा कि
जी.
Let me know when I can speak.
No,
without
please
interruptions.
speak. Please speak.
Okay. तो आपने देखा, when you asked the BJP spokesperson what is the source of saying that दिल्ली सरकार ने यमुना क्लीनिंग पे 7,000 करोड़ खर्च किए, उन्होंने आपको कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. आपने उनसे पूछा कि क्या ये बात
No, why
हाँ,
did
check
they
it
not
out, sir.
confront
I
it
am
for the
challenging
last
you, check
one
it
and a
out.
half
Give me a
years?
source.
Because those
Sir, I'm
news
challenging
reports have
you.
existed for the last 1 year.
Sir, I'm challenging you. Don't interrupt me, sir. I have very pertinent questions. They relate to the life and health of Delhi citizens. Please answer. Do you agree that water in Delhi so far comes only from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana? It's a different matter altogether that we have promised that Delhi we'll make sure Delhi has its own water resource because no previous government thought about it in the next 5 years. But please tell me, 1000 MGD we get from UP and Haryana? That is
Yes.
a source of water. Do you also know that Wazirabad pond, which may sound small, Arnab, to you, but it stores some gallons of gallons of water.
Let me give you an analogy.
big
You know, from the
reservoir.
time that your government came in Punjab, the stubble burning incidents have only got increased to
Why have you
Delhi's
gone to
show.
stubble burning? We're
No,
talking about Yamuna.
I am
Don't
giving
go to
you an
stubble
example.
burning, sir.
Will we say that they try to
Don't
kill
run away.
that they try to
You're
kill
giving the
half
wrong
of
example.
Delhi by
That
those
has been reduced by
stubble burning
77%
incidents?
too.
Have we ever said that you tried to
You
kill
can't
Delhi?
let
Open
BJP
lines.
You should have
spokesperson get
the
away with
open
that.
lines.
They are
You should
playing
have
with the
basic
lines.
Lines, Kolo.
responsibility.
Should I open
You should
lines?
have basic
Should I open lines,
responsibility
viewers?
when
I'm
you-
asking, should I open the lines? Okay, open the lines, open the lines. I've got
आप
a few minutes.
सुनिए मेरी बात सर, आपके झूठ, आप फरेबी
Correct,
सरकार
number.
है, आपका ध्यान
Farabi.
रखें,
She
सरकारें
just called you a
खरीदने
Farabi. You're
तोड़ने में
taking it on the
करप्ट
chin
लोगों को
today.
शामिल
She
करने
called you a
में,
Farabi.
सबके पैसे धोने में वॉशिंग मशीन में,
anything to it, but I will not
आप
tolerate,
क्या करते हैं?
I will not
आप
tolerate
हरियाणा
Arvind
से, आपको
Kejriwal
पता है
creating a
कि
wedge
आपने
between
अरविंद
two states. I will
केजरीवाल जी
not
के ऊपर
tolerate him
पथराव करा दिया,
scaremongering the entire
आपने
country.
सारा कुछ पैसे बांट लिए, आपने सब कर लिया, उसके बाद आप बौखलाहट में ऐसी घिनौनी हरकत कर रहे हो जो हमने पकड़ ली। आप चाहते थे कि दिल्ली में लोग मर जाएं और ब्लेम अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पर है। आपका ये प्लान था
Arnab,
पूरा
they should
कि
be the
यमुना
last
से पानी
people
पिला
to
के
talk
अरविंद
about
केजरीवाल
life
जी
and
ने
health
लोगों
of
को
Delhi.
मार दिया।
It's 1/3
और
of the
आपने
children
किया।
in Delhi.
but-
1/3 of the children in Delhi are suffering due to asthma
Arnab,
because of
I'll
them.
tell you something
For the
more
last 10 years, the number of days when PM 2.5
That is why
is
you
over
released
400 is
6.5 ppm
unimaginable.
water.
16 waterlogging deaths in the last 1 year.
Don't give me
26
rhetoric.
electrocution
Come
deaths in
to
the
Anyway,
last 1
you
year.
have spent.
Don't run away.
You have spent.
Don't
My
run
question
away.
is. My question is. You have spent
Answer on the
6,000, 7,000, 8,000. God knows how many thousand. 6,000, 7,000 crore rupees you are spending.
My point is
Or
this,
1 minute.
this
So
figure has
much
existed
money you
for
are
the last
spending.
1 year on public
So
domain.
much.
Why didn't they
ये
come
बोल
to
रहे
it?
हो,
She's
आप
asking.
मान रहे हो?
Huh? What do you say?
ये
6,000.
बोल रहे हो तो आप ये फिगर मान रहे हो।
कौन बोल रहे हैं? कौन बोल रहे हैं? कौन बोल रहे हैं? What did you say? What did you say, प्रियंका? कौन बोल रहे हैं तो मान रहे हो and all that? नहीं, कौन बोल रहे हैं तो मान रहे हो? What do you mean? मैं बोल
I'm saying कि बीजेपी बोल रहे तो आप मान रहे हो।
नहीं, मैं बीजेपी क्या? अरे फॉर गॉड से, अरे पर आपने स्पेंड तो किया है ना, यू हैव स्पेंट ऑल दैट मनी, इतना ज्यादा पैसा स्पेंड किया आपने, यू स्पेंट ऑल दैट मनी।
We never listen, नहीं अनमोल, नहीं अर्नब जी, we received only 1,800 crore.
Please don't say that. You spent the money. You have spent almost 7,000 crore rupees.
No, check it.
I have checked everything I say.
Check official
Everything that
documents.
comes out of my mouth is checked in
Show me which
the
report.
best human processor which is in my brain.
Show.
Show. Okay, I'll show.
दिखाइए।
अच्छा, give me 10 seconds.
नहीं,
Give me 10
ऐसे
seconds.
नहीं।
मैं बताता
ये
हूँ आपको।
6.5
One minute. चलिए, one minute. This is the environment
अरे,
department.
लोकसभा
अरे,
question
listen
on
to
this.
me, Baba, Priyanka, you are going to lose the debate. Never get into debate with me.
Listen to me.
Yeah. See, 6,000 according
I'm
to
not
the
debating
environment
anyone. I'm
department
just
of the
letting
Delhi
this
government.
ये report देखो
Arey,
ना।
listen, no, 1 minute. According to environment department of the Delhi government, in a response dated March 22nd, 2023 to a question raised in the Delhi Assembly, as per reports of the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, all this money was spent and the total money is, she's going to really lose the debate today, and this is going to become a meme because people will say
not
Arnab
on
is so
Yamuna
well
cleaning.
prepared.
Is it on
Priyanka
Yamuna cleaning
Kakkar, chief
specifically?
national spokesperson of
Is it
AAP,
Yamuna
was
cleaning or
unprepared in a debate with
Arnab,
Arnab.
I have a money
Ma'am,
back
never wrong.
report.
Priyanka, the rule is Priyanka, Arnab is never wrong. Arnab is never wrong. 6,000, I'm right.
On pollution or
I am
Yamuna
right.
cleaning alone?
I am right.
Your agenda
I am
is to-
right and you are
your
wrong.
agenda is to-
6,856.91 crore rupees.
Listen. On what?
To
On
clean the Delhi stretch of the river Yamuna. Not to make another Appu
I have a
Ghar.
report
1 minute, 1
from
minute.
You are saying for
Control.
pollution.
Yes,
You said for
to
pollution.
clean the Delhi
Aapne
stretch
said
of the
this
river
is
Yamuna.
pollution.
To clean the Delhi stretch of the river Yamuna. How can I be more clear than that? See, so much money, even you are not believing it. Aap bhi shocked ho gaye. She's shocked today.
Listen
She's look.
to
No,
me.
I'm the best prepared anchor on Indian television for the last 100 years and the next 100.
Arnabji, I'm not denying that, but you know, if your if your intention is only to somehow humiliate me, belittle me.
No,
break
there is
me
no.
into
You
different
said you questioned my number. I proved my number
I have a
right. 1 minute.
report.
No, I proved my number right. 1 minute. 1 minute.
No,
Okay, we are.
no. Listen.
Tell me,
I
tell
am
me.
giving you Lok Sabha का केंद्र सरकार का आंकड़ा that they have given 1800 crore in the past 10 years. Okay? Now listen to me. The issue is what? The issue is you are saying okay, we did not clean Yamuna. Our Neta has admitted that
अभी
he will
ब्रेकिंग
take
खबर
5
आ गई है
more years,
प्रियंका
unlike the BJP
प्रियंका
Neta
प्रियंका
who
इलेक्शन
take you
कमीशन ऑफ
everywhere.
इंडिया ने मुझे I've got a
सुनिए
watch
ना।
I've got a letter election commission of India has written to Arvind Kejriwal giving him time
आप बोलने नहीं देते
till
बुलाते
29th Arvind your leader has got time to prove the claim that the river Ramuna has been poisoned by the election commission
बाबा वो डीजेबी सीईओ हैज प्रूवन जो बीजेपी ने कल चिट्ठी लिखवाई डीजेबी के सीईओ से जिसको वो लेके पूरी मार्केट में घूम रहे थे
EC tells
कि
Kejriwal
DJP
to
का
reply
CEO
by
कह रहा है
8 PM
कि
tomorrow.
अरविंद केजरीवाल फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट है उन्होंने कहा है कि
Next.
6.5
How much time?
ppm लेवल है ये हरियाणा से छोड़ा जा रहा है द क्वेश्चन शुड बी कि कैसे इतना अमोनिया लेवल सडनली स्पाइक हो गया ये अपने आप नहीं हो सकता
Arnab, I've
Call a
already
water
explained that
expert
it
and
was
ask
for a
him.
few hours and
Suddenly
it would
इतना spike
anyway
नहीं
have been
हुआ।
Callers are on.
away.
Call-
It
calls-
has
calls
been
शुरू हो गए।
going
Calls- calls.
all over the years for the last many years.
Huge debate on night, ladies and gentlemen.
The point
Anita
is that
Prakash
the
is calling from
collective
Dwarka in Delhi. Anita ji. Anita ji.
Arnab?
Hi.
Yeah. Actually, I am a Delhiite, and Delhiites are really fed up of AAP now. Seriously.
You talk directly to Priyanka. She'll think I planted
Yeah,
this call.
Priyanka, when Tuhin was telling you that it's there on the net, immediately I just cross-checked. It is 6,800 something.
Yes.
I'm telling you, Priyanka, please don't make false promises. Done something wrong, imagine you are saying no, and
I am not-
Kejriwal yesterday only, he comes and he apologizes. मुझे 5 साल और दो, मुझे काम करना है, ये नहीं किया.
Ma'am,
How
so
can you deny?
that's what I said, ma'am.
How can you deny?
No, I'm not denying. Ma'am, we are admitting that Yamuna cleaning, we are not denying. The question was something else, ma'am. They are questioning me about 6.5 ppm, whether it is poisonous or not, which the Haryana government is releasing. As far as Yamuna cleaning is concerned, our Neta has been honest and admitted.
Please, ma'am, please listen to me. Listen to me. Why didn't you do the work for last 10 years?
Sure, ma'am.
Why did you do it? I go around Delhi. I'm an educator myself.
Ma'am, should I answer?
No, please you have to listen to me. I have called. You have to listen to me.
We're very
Okay,
empowered callers. Very empowered callers. I like that, Priyanka. Yeah.
Seriously. It's too much. Now this time...
Well, I'm-
people of
I'm listening
Delhi
to her.
are really going to give you left and right.
Okay.
Serious.
Okay. Now, Anita, you're a very empowered and aggressive caller. I like that. I'm telling you, Priyanka, these are free-flowing calls. मैं बिल्कुल edit नहीं करता हूँ. Whoever calls, I put them on. Amit is calling from Delhi. Amit, where are you calling from? What's your point?
नहीं ठीक है लोकतंत्र है सबका
अमित।
ओपिनियन और सबका ओपिनियन सर माथे
जी
पर
बिल्कुल. Amit.
हेलो
Yes, Amit. Go on. बोलिए.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आम आदमी की पार्टी की प्रवक्ता से ये है कि पिछले 10 साल के अंदर इससे घटिया गवर्नमेंट पूरे वर्ल्ड में नहीं आई. ये सिर्फ एक कोई ना कोई इल्जाम लगाते हैं, उसके बाद भाग जाते हैं. ना इनके पास कोई प्रूफ होता है, ना पेपर्स होते हैं, ना कुछ होता है. ये टीवी पे आके बोल के सिर्फ हिट एंड रन की
Okay. That's
वो भाग जाते हैं वहां से.
बिल्कुल. That's an opinion, Amit जी. आपकी opinion live है. Murari Singh is calling from Gurugram. Last caller, Murari Singh जी.
Hi Arnab, good evening.
Good evening. Go on, Murari ji.
So my question is for Priyanka.
Huh.
So my question is for Priyanka. The basic fundamental debate point which was started where Arvind Kejriwal get this information that Haryana has poisoned the water. Doesn't matter what is ammonia level is 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. So where this Arvind Kejriwal dreamt Haryana government has poisoned the water. So
Priyanka,
this was
Priyanka
a,
can
you know,
reply.
basic
Priyanka can
question.
reply to you directly, sir. I have limited time. Priyanka, you want to go for that?
मतलब आपने मुझे लगा पहले कॉलर ने मना कर दिया था कि उनको रिप्लाई नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं बस सबके ओपिनियन सुन रही थी. सी आई डू जेन्युइनली थिंक दैट दिल्ली is this is not my thinking actually, this is central government data that Delhi has the least
Close it.
inflation, highest per capita income,
Yeah.
lowest joblessness, and has a lot of welfare schemes and a revenue surplus budget, the only state in the country with 24-hour electricity and free electricity. It is also, we admit that there are three things that the Aam Aadmi Party government has to still work on. 3 dream projects of Arvind Kejriwal ji, which were primarily stalled because February में सरकार आई, March में COVID हो गया, फिर फर्जी केसेस में जेल हो गई.
Okay, and you've got more work to do. I take that. I thank you very much, Priyanka Kakkar and Tuin Sinha, for that face-off. And on the other side tonight,